Thank you for tuning in. Here we are. Great day in the markets, right? Look at this. We're up. Looks like Nasdaq up almost 4%. S&P over almost 2.25. Let's see what Dow over 1.5%. Great numbers. Diving in, just want to make a quick video just going over the performance over the news on the interest rate hikes. So looks like this is where we're at. This is what the markets did. Looks like there have been some talks about Russia, which I think maybe I might touch base on that, but it seems like maybe there's some positive outlooks for a peaceful ending to the conflict there, which is good for everybody. And you can see oil and gas, oil and energy overall kind of going down a little bit. Looks like one sector there is doing okay. The world map, I mean, even China was doing a little bit better. I read an article that said China was doing better on talks about reducing restrictions or reducing lack of sanctions. I don't know. Either way, look at China. Great day in the market there for them. Taiwan, India, Japan. Let's see, Canada, Brazil. I mean, overall, looks like maybe South America had a rough day and some small sectors in Canada. Overall, great day across the world. Let's see, nothing there to look at. This is just talking about here markets increased 25 basis points. There's been a lot of speculation as to what this means. It looks like there was an article here. It talked about, is this one, possibly the other one here. What might be missing? It's talking about recessions that typically come after rate hikes, which there's some truth to that. When you look at 2018, the last time they increased interest rates, there was a drop in the market because 2016, 17, 19, 20, and 21 were pretty good years overall in the markets, all things considered. And 2018 was really kind of the only time that we had a bad year, and that was the last time they increased interest rates. So there is some truth to that. Now, really the speculation comes down to, do we feel like the rate hikes were already priced in? I mean, we did have, I think I talked about it in the last video. We talked about the performance here, year to date, looking at the S&P. Overall, if we look at performance year to date, some of them have been good, but we saw some pretty big companies here that we touched on that had some pretty big drops already. So the market as a whole has done pretty poorly year to date, even dating back to last year. So some people believe that the rate hikes have already priced in, and that we're looking green. Also, there's some people that think that institutional investors were looking for some stability. That analysts and fund managers, they're looking at this, hedge funds, and they're looking at inflation, looking at different things, and thinking, hey, we've got to get this under control. So there's a school of thought out there that think that they were looking for rate hikes. People wanted rate hikes because of the levels of inflation that we've been seeing. So, only time will tell. But there's the other people who think that a recession is still coming. I am a little bit more on leaning towards that side. I still believe that we're in a credit bubble. There's a mortgage bubble that's still going on. I know there's some interest rate hikes in terms of mortgages that have been new mortgages that interest rates have been going higher. That's causing some reduction in the demand for mortgages. I was just looking here at Palantir. Obviously, that's a hot one on Reddit and on Twitter. So just looking at the performance here. Did pretty good for the day. I think it was up. I know this is the aftermarket, but I think for the day, I think it did almost 10%. And looking at the VIX here, I had it spread out. I could have swore I had it year to date. Let's look at this year to date. Roughly, the lowest has been since about a month ago, almost exactly. So roughly the middle of February is the lowest the VIX has been. And so that's good news there. And that's pretty much it. Oh, one last thing, and I think maybe I might make another video on things going on in China, what to expect, because looking at this world map, if I change this to year-to-date performance, not even year-to-date, let's do 1 week. Oh, I guess I'm wrong. No, here we go. There we go. That's what I was looking at. I was looking at the 1 month performance, and it's been pretty bad in China. So we'll see. I know that there was an announcement that they opened up for some production. We'll see what that means. They've had some COVID outbreaks over there, so only time will tell. Dating back to 2019, the rumors of COVID, they were kind of suppressed, and so we'll see if this plays out to be something else. Either way, today was a good day, so let's enjoy what we had today. Thank you for watching. Again, I'm looking for subscribers, trying to grow the channel, so I'd really appreciate any kind of comments, subscriptions, things like that. I'd really appreciate it. So thank you again, and have a good rest of your night. Bye.